Hi, this is Sean McCracken, your OC Realtor, bringing you the California dream of eco, sun, and fun. Here it is, March 9th, and look at this day out here. And it's just incredible. And I'm down here in South Laguna. Take a look at this. The seas are angry today, but you can still see Catalina. And I'm out here down in South Laguna, taking a look at this house right here. It's a 2-bedroom. 2-bath, about 1,000 square feet. Get you in here. If you want more information on this, you can contact me, Sean McCracken, 949-290-5317, or email me at sean@welcometothedream.com. And we'll go right in here. So this is the living room area. It does have fireplace, kind of nice, and it does have the craftsman style ceilings. And then we have a little dining area here, and the kitchen, and it's all livable. Now this house goes for $849. Been on the market for just about 4 days. So it's a nice little porch area there. So it's indoor, outdoor, very nice, very private. And the kitchen, sink is nice, stove. So again, that's very, very livable. And then here is a bedroom. They use it as, looks like a living area. Closet area there, goes out to a small backyard. And it does have its own bath. And then we go upstairs, it's short upstairs. It does have an attached 2-car garage. And then here is the other bedroom. The bedrooms are good size. So it has all that closet space, good size here, as you can see. And that's a big bay window there, but it does look out. I can't get the curtain up. It looks out in the house next door, and it does have a corner view of the of the ocean. And this has a very nice remodeled bathroom as well. So about $850,000. Slight ocean view, very much a cottagey type of feel. 1,000 square feet, which is pretty good. In South Laguna, 2 blocks to the beach. Not bad. Pretty good place. I live here. Again, 949-290-5317. Sean at welcometothedream.com. And I hope you have a great day.